Starting from the tip of the chin, create a new row of the vertical as we did here, but this time we will finish it by cutting a new edge loop over the bridge of the nose. Take a look at the edge inside the green ellipse. Try to place it in both view as close to those imaginary lines as possible without cramming the geometry too much. Also remember to follow the contour of the J. Fill in the respective face. Select the two highlighted edges. B. Extrude them as shown. C. Select the two highlight verticals. D. Merge the at the center. I cut a new loop. I cut a new loop. Create a new edge between two vertical. C. Subdivide once but adds D. Connect those three vertical vertices. E. Fill in for new face. Looking good so far. For the create in front view, a circle with 10 vertical vertices and reshape it according to the border of the highlight. Inside view, place the whole group of first where the image show. Select VP5 and move it to the back until it matches the corner of the gate. In the view, select V4 and move it to the back and just a teeny bit to the right to make rounded shape. Move VP1 to the back the same distance as VP. Move VP2 the back to round the shape. VP3 stays in place. Front and side view the resulting A shape. Select the top row of vertical A. B. Extrude up forward upward. C. Reshape it as shown following the contour of the highlight. D. This is so it shall look for the side. A. Select the two head vertical and move them to the back until they touch the edge of the highlight. We'll do something similar with the bottom row. In this case, hit the face so you can see the innermost verticals. Extrude as shown, beside view. See as shown in the image. Select the vertical 4 and 5 and move them to the back. The select verticals 1 and 2 and them a bit to the front. Vertex 3 stays in face. This is what we should have so far. B. Cut a new edge loop around the mouth. C. Select the two highlight edges. D. Inside view, move them slightly to the back. A. Select the vertex inside the circle and move it slightly to the back to save the pizarro. I like the sig highlight it. Fill in the respective face. Fill in the respective face. Cut new as loop. B. Fill the face shown in the image. C. Fill in a second new face.